C. Just for C?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. Mm-hmm. What does that spell?
Cat.
Yeah, put an S on the end of it. Put an S on the end of it. S.
How can I S?
S.
Here.
Like S.
Mommy,
You do it.
Mommy, how can I spell S?
What does that spell?
That cat.
C-A-T-S.
C. C-A-T.